Hello friends, welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm putting together this video for you where I'm going to show you what I eat or what my different types of meals are, what I eat in a day, or basically what I eat in a week, or basically what I eat, all the time. So what I'm going to do is, end up showing you my plates for different meals, and I'll also show you, my options for breakfast. What are the things I do for breakfast, and then I'll show you basically lunch and dinner are similar, meaning they're interchangeable. They're just meals. So I'll show you a variety of examples of different things I do, and also some tips. So thank you to Gagan, I forget the last name, who asked me to do this video. And I believe there were also a couple other folks who wanted me to talk about my AIP meals. So here you go. I hope you like this video. All right, so let's get started.
So usually what I have for breakfast is a smoothie with a lot of vegetables. So here I have celery, zucchini, cabbage, and avocado. So those are the four vegetables. Generally, in principle, I have at least 3 to 4 different vegetables and then 2 to 3 different fruits. So here I'm using blueberries. So some kind of berries I usually do, either blueberries or strawberries. And then here I have a mix of peaches and, the tropical blend. These are all frozen, but I use a combination of frozen and fresh fruit. And now I'm adding a banana. So again, sometimes I add a banana, sometimes I don't, but at least I have either an avocado or a banana in the smoothie, and some, good fat component. If I don't have an avocado, then I add coconut milk. And now for the protein component, I add collagen protein. So now this from the portions that I showed you, this will, make 2 servings. And so I'm adding like 4 scoops of collagen, and so this is one tall glass, and then the rest I freeze it for my daughter, so I give that to her when she comes from school. This is a green smoothie, this is a pumpkin smoothie, and papaya smoothie. So you get the idea with different fruits, and these are mixed berries smoothies. So oftentimes, I will also, instead of a smoothie, I will just have like a steamed plantain, or I will make banana coconut pancakes. So, this is what I like to eat for lunch and or dinner. Fish is my most common protein. I eat that 80% of the time. And pan fried fish is my favorite, and it's really easy to do. I have here marinated in a paste of turmeric and a little bit chili pepper. Now that's non-AIP, but that's a reintroduction that I have been able to do. And then just quickly pan fried in coconut oil, and then combine it with salads, or just cooked vegetables. So that's salmon with a lot of other vegetables. And then tuna salad, tuna chaat salad is one of my favorite recipes, and I have that at least once or twice in a week. So I put chaat masala. I have a AIP version of this salad, posted this recipe on my website, so you can check that out. It is really, really delicious, and it has all kinds of good things in here: olive oil, as well as avocados, artichokes, olives, etc. Next, I also make like tuna cakes or fish cakes, and that's also great paired with a salad. So it's another thing I do is pan fried cod, and with a steamed vegetables, or again salad. Chicken kebabs is one of my other go-to protein, where I make these in advance, batch cook, and then they are great with a salad or with cassava tortilla as a wrap. Here I have used cassava tortilla and a shrimp tacos. So shrimp are also very easy to pan fry, and so I make the shrimp tacos a lot as well. Now these kind of grain-free pizza, again with cassava flour, is also recipes on my website, and I make this often as well with leftover curried chicken. So I do like a curried chicken pizza, and that's really awesome. Now, other go-to thing of mine is basically like cassava roti or my grain-free roti, and I pair it with my Indian curries and vegetables. So basically, my family eats all those curries and vegetables with rice, whereas I have them with rotis. Now, soups are again, easy thing to do. So I batch cook chicken minestrone, chicken noodle soup. The recipes of all these are there on my website, and they have everything. So it's like a one pot meal. Cauliflower rice is again another great thing to do because you can just pair it with any kind of protein dish and then makes a full meal. I also again steamed veggies, cauliflower, broccoli with fish curry. So my family eats it with rice, whereas I eat it with steamed veggies. Naan is again a grain-free naan recipe is there on my website. Another great thing I do is just do boiled yuca, and I have it with like the curry and vegetables, my Indian curry and vegetables, which my family eats, and I just eat it with either yuca or taro root. Pan fried anchovies, again very easy. And now here I wanted to show you this where I just like kind of use a leaf of lettuce just like that, not even bothering to chop it up. And again more salad. Now this is an elaborate Indian meal that I had when I was in India. And see, what I did was I add all the dishes, but I don't eat the rice. And and then I just add a little starchy vegetable like yuca. And here are some staple dishes that I cook regularly every week. So I wanted to share that with you. So this fish and vegetable curry chowder is one of my favorites, and I have it almost every week. It's absolutely delicious. It is very nutrient dense. You can find the recipe on my website. The other thing that I like to do is also cook spaghetti squash regularly in the instant pot, and then that's nice way low carb option with any protein. Sweet potatoes are again something that I batch cook every week, and then I either eat it as a snack when I'm hungry or pair it with any protein. Now, for snacks in general, I don't eat a lot of snacks, but in the evening, I'll have like a chicory latte. I have posted the video of this before, and I love to have that in the evening so that it fills me up. And if I'm still hungry, I'll have a little bit of plantain chips. And then for treat, I like to do like a frozen treat with berries, banana, and coconut milk and collagen protein. So that's like an instant, ice cream or nice cream. That's it guys. I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.